No fear, I'm standing right here, eyes peer with my mind clear, never look rear, only up, never down, off the ground till I'm found, hear the sound, listen to me now, as the beat pounds, every ounce of my effort pouring out, so you never have a doubt, do you like me now, am I good enough now, should I get more loud, till you hear the fucking sound, oh no, I'm losing my shit again, having to fit again, man I'm forgetting when, I used to have some friends, I used to play pretend, we all grow up and then, hating my phone and trends, I'm about to blow my head, nobody knows I'm dead, fear I'm a ghost instead, think that I'm close, I get straight comatose in bed, try to go slow with breath, breathe out my nose and head, watch as they go, the trend, faster it goes instead. One shot, that's all you got, take it right now, before you get lost, yeah, one shot, that's all you got, write your own story, you control the plot, yeah, one shot, that's all you got, could drop dead now of a fucking blood clot, yeah, one shot, give it all you got, and never back down, no I'm never gonna stop, yeah, one shot, that's all you got, take it right now, before you get lost, yeah, one shot, that's all you got, write your own story, you control the plot, yeah, one shot, that's all you got, could drop dead now of a fucking blood clot, yeah, one shot, give it all you got, and never back down, no I'm never gonna stop, yeah, you know that I'm a little OCD, the people close to me already know that's me, that's how it's supposed to be, cause nobody's perfect, need something to work towards, that's worth it, need something that's worth more, you deserve it, find a thing that you love, then preserve it, if you're heading down the wrong path, then reverse it, put your head